everyone, my name is Kaushik Siripranav. I'm so happy. This is my potato harvest. This is the condition of my potato plants. Last week, my grandma told me to wait for one more week. Today, I'm ready to harvest. Potatoes are root vegetables. 3 months before, I planted some pieces of seed potatoes with sprouts in a small bag. I regularly water plants and add compost also. As this bag is so small, I get little harvest only. The potatoes are also very small in size. Our teacher told us a Hindi rhyme on potatoes. आलू का चालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे, बैगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे, बैगन ने लात मारे रो रहे थे, मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे, पापा ने फंसा दिया नाच रहे थे, भैया ने लड्डू दिया खा रहे थे. Hey, look at this earthworm. My parents told me earthworms help in the growth of the plant. It is known as farmer's best friend. It's time to go deep into the soil. Now let me count the number of potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I arrange all the potatoes in circle shape. Now I arrange them in increasing or ascending order. Increasing order means small to big. Now I arrange the potatoes in decreasing or descending order. Decreasing order means big to small. Let's compare these two potatoes. First one is big potato, second one is small potato. Let's compare these three potatoes. First one is the biggest potato, second one is the bigger potato, third one is big potato. Now I keep them into groups. First group has 6 potatoes. Second group has 4 potatoes. 6 is greater than 4. Here 4 is less than 6. Please like, share, subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching.